Welcome everyone. Collins and Andy here. We're going to be covering OTrim today. Thank you for all your messages so far. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. That'd be great. So over to you, Collins. I want to know the features of OTrim, my friend.
Andy, just want to first greet everyone in here. We're happy to have you here again. Today is a great Saturday, and we are all fired up. This is OTrim Day. So what's all about OTrim? We're talking about OTrim is a URL, a link shortener. Let me call it that way, because a lot of people, when you say URL, they don't know. So let's talk about link. You have a long link. Your domain is everything is there. If you go to www.blablabla.com, that link is really nasty. So OTrim is a shortener. You can use that link and you can take that long link and say, okay, how do I make it beautiful and nice? You take it, you put it on OTrim, you click a button and it will cut it nicely for you. You can either shorten it, which is just a normal shortener, or you can customize it. So you have both. Either shorten it with no name, or you customize it with give it a fancy name. I can say, all right, I want to give it Manacol, I want to give it Angel, I want to call it whatever name, and you can put an alias to differentiate it. So it's just about shortening a link. But what makes OLink OTrim perfect is because of the customization. How many characters, letters you can put, what names you can put. We are talking about 20 or 21 characters. That's what it can take. Some other link shortener, they just take only 8 characters. But OTrim can take more than 8 characters. So you're talking about 21 in the customized part of it, because there is shortening and there is customization. So some other company will do what? When you want to customize, you have to pay for it. But when you just want to shorten, it is free. But when you say, all right, I want to be customized, it means giving it a fancy name, a name which you desire, you have to pay for it. So Andy, how will this help benefit maybe all of us and everyone?
Before I go into that, Collins, I want to ask you a question. So when we put it in, we have a shortened URL, and it's often otrim.co/ and then it's blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
Right. So why would we use that instead of a customize? Why would we not just simply customize it and make it our own?
Yeah, so some people don't want to customize it. They just want to shorten it. So the system do it nicely for you, where somebody, it is easy for you to identify. So the system make it, the application make it easy for someone to say, yes, this is something I can relate with. But now customizing means I can give it Andy at the end of it. So if somebody says, oh, it's coming from Andy, oh, I can see Andy there. So it's coming from Andy. That's the customization, making it yours, giving it a name.
So exactly. So why would I use the shortened one when I can customize it? That doesn't make sense to me. I would always customize it and make some name up at the end to make it relevant, particularly when you think through marketing campaigns. So you've got, let's go to what we've got as far as links is concerned. So we've got one for OMail, we've got one for OTracker, we've got one for ONet, and we've got one for OConnect.
Yeah.
So why would we not simply use a custom link for each of those 4? That would make sense to me. That makes it easier. First of all, customers remember it. So OTrim / and then your customization. And if they haven't clicked on it, they can simply remember it and go, okay, well, let's put that into the computer.
Mm-hmm.
Is that right?
Yeah, it is right. But look at it. Most people don't customize because it costs them money.
Right. Okay. So we're on to the various different companies that offer that facility.
Yeah.
Right. Now this is interesting because I did a comparison with the 6 of the companies that offer this. So one is CLKIM, They charge $10 a month or $70 per annum, but there are limitations. Bitly, who most people have heard of, charge $35 per month. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's $300 per month for a premium. Okay. BI Inc. is $48 a month and has limitations on various redirects, active links, clicks and trace through, etc. And their business version is $599 a month. That's ridiculous. Okay, Short.io is $20 a month, but again has limitations. Brandly is $29 a month for a starter pack, or $499 for their premium version for businesses.
Yeah.
And Buffly, I love that name. Buffly is $15 a month and $199 a month for a medium business. So why are we different?
Yeah, this is the beauty about ONPASSIVE. If you've used all of them, and we'll come to the difference, what make ONPASSIVE a unique, company, because they always add value to this. Remember, Mr. Ash Mufara have taken all of those company who offers URL shortener, link shortener, look at all the functions they have and said add more. The uniqueness, we'll look at the features. We're talking about heat map. How many of them has heat map?
Not
so
very
we
many,
are we are giving everything for free, because be it the shortener without a customized name, it is free. Now you want to customize it, it's free. Give it any name. Most of them, they take only 8 characters when it comes to customization. ONPASSIVE offer you 21 characters. So it means I can say Mana Collins, blah, blah, dot, as long as it is within the 21 characters of my name, the system will accept it.
Right.
That is a game changer when it comes to ONPASSIVE.
So what features are included in it then that are special?
Now, we're talking about customization. Let's look at heat map. Heat map will put every other thing under the boss. That is a feature of O-Tracker they've integrated to O-Trim. What does heat map does? It locates and identify every clicks, where they are clicking from, the country and the city, the device you are using, the device they are using, and whatever, everything you are doing, they can identify it. What will happen to the marketing sector, Andy, if you can identify, know the region and area where the clicks are coming from? How will that impact businesses?
Yeah, absolutely. From a business perspective, that's better tracking and analytics. Business can gain insights into click data, geographical location of users, referral sources, and other variable metrics that go along with it, which means they can hone down their market.
So that is the beauty about it. Means every click you can identify where the clicks are coming from, and you can say, all right, this is where I want to concentrate now my business. I can push all my business data because I know that is where my market is coming from. The device, are they using phone or laptop? And if you're using phone, do we give more features on those who are using phone? Because if we know our market are coming from those who are using phone, it's easy for them to navigate. What will happen? We'll create more features for them. Not like we'll abandon the rest.
Yeah, so one of the other benefits to using our O-Trim then would be, surely, if there's a lot of people on the phone, would be to use the QR code that we've got in here, so that people can just simply use the phone and click on that QR code. That basically improves the click-through rate for businesses. So people looking specifically for something, they send this shortened URL out, and people that go on the computer will use that, look at that and go, oh, this is brilliant. And it means that more people will click through that rather than click on this huge, great long URL. But also, the bigger market nowadays is the phone, because not everybody has a computer, because the phone is a computer in effect. So it would be easier not only to be able to create a URL shortener, but also have that QR code, as I said, wrong way, that way, that actually then allows people to just click their phone on it and it sends them straight to a link.
That's fantastic. And you know, it also identified the browser type and the social media type they are using. So for instance, if you advertise in social media, they can see number of clicks coming from which social media. You know, it can be Facebook, can be whatever you're thinking of. That's what they are looking at. So, you know, Andy, what do you think it will do for businesses?
Well, social media engagement with shortened URLs, especially useful for things like Twitter, where things like concise messaging is essential. Analytics allows you to track the performance of these links and understand the user's behavior and optimize those social media strategies. So whether it's coming from Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram, it can give you an indication as to, you know, where is your best market.
And the good thing, we can export that as well to CSV, any size, any file format. So do you think there is an added advantage for businesses, Andy?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you know, you can target marketing campaigns. So if you've got a specific campaign that you want to try and do, you can customize the link for that specific campaign and be able to track the details, and then do another campaign and have another customized link to be able to track that one. So wow, that's, you know, a big opportunity for businesses to be able to focus on the efforts of the platforms and where they generate the highest commissions.
Yeah, and we're talking about O-Tracker. It's all free, right? We're talking about the price Bitly is offering, all the tracking device tool we have in the market. They are all paid products. But ONPASSIVE is giving everything, customization, you know, heat map, all of those features, everything for free, more addition, more add-ons than what we have now currently in the market. So
I mean, you can take this one stage further, because with the O-Trim link, it gives you brand recognition, and for customers, it gives trust. So this is a big plus for businesses wanting to be able to do, you know, ongoing marketing campaigns. They can use the same links over and over again. Customers will see that and go, oh, brand recognition.
Yeah. So, Andy, so there is really big, you know, for those who are listening now, if you have a business, you know, take advantage of O-Trim. You know, just imagine a company that Mr. Ashmofara would have said, you know what, we want to sell it. They will make, ONPASSIVE will make a fortune, but now it is the best of the best. We cannot ask for more. And we are saying, you come in for O-Trim, what will you get? You get O-Net for free. You get O-Mail for free. You know, and other free products. So you come in for one, you come for a cup of coffee, and they give you the whole supermarket for free. What else do you want again? So, Andy, I don't know if there's something. I just single sign on. You log in once and you can see all of those applications that are free and can really promote your business, you know, as much as possible. Look, there is something here I want to say, Andy. When we use O-Connect, right? Did you notice O-Connect is already trimmed and is embedded in O-Trim? Because you can see the link, the URL there.
Okay.
What is the advantage? What is the benefit? Because I know we'll talk about O-Connect later, but O-Connect has the trim URL embedded in O-Trim. So it means every time you conduct a meeting, what will happen? You have that trim visibility in the market for your own business. So what is the advantage?
This call to action, you've got the call to action within O-Connect as well. So yes, you can embed that short. See, this is also helpful for the SEO the search engine optimization, because if you've got a URL trimmer, you've got the ability to add relevant keywords to the link in customization to be able to improve its search engine optimization. Again, this is brilliant for businesses.
Wow, Andy. So, there's just a lot more features. And remember, it will not end there. We know, as our CEO promised, there will be more and more features added on OTrim and all the other products. So, Andy, do you have any word to say about OTrim? Because we've just covered all the features that are all in OTrim.
The trimmer, as you guys well know, I'm not a techie, but I do understand that instead of having this great long link, if you trim it and you customize it, just think how easy it is to put on things like flyers. We had an event in Manchester, and people could book a spot at Manchester. So having flyers with either the customized link or the QR code, wrong side again, yeah, it means it's easier for people to then become engaged, and that's the key here. They become engaged. And when you've got a business that you're trying to make sure gets to the forefront, the easier it is to get to the forefront, the better. So when you've got something like that and you can add it to all your printing and your your stationery, even your business card, wouldn't it be so much easier for someone to be able to simply go, well, that's easy, https://otrim.co/Andy. Brilliant. They can remember that as well. So it makes life so much easier. But as you've well pointed out, this is free. This is free to use for anyone that's registered with ONPASSIVE. Instead of having to pay, and as I said, half of these things have got limitations. They don't have the heat map. They don't have the split of social media, how it's worked out, where it comes from, whether it's Chrome or Safari or any of the others. It's very difficult to then hone your business down without paying for something else to do that. Now, everything is under one roof, single sign-on, as we said, and this makes life so much easier. So absolutely, this is a lovely little product and free. Guys, it's free.
And unlimited.
And unlimited. Yeah, absolutely. So I don't think you can beat that. Right, so what we're going to discuss next, I think we've finished, have we not, Collins?
Yeah, we've done it. We talk about QR code, unlimited of the product, heat map, customization, and normal trim. So everything is there.
Okay. Anyone got any questions? I haven't seen any in the comments section, but that's fine. Okay, so Tuesday we will be doing, what should we do? A wallet.
Someone, let them just say what they want. They want us to talk next time. If they want O Connect, we can talk about O Connect. If they want us to repeat something, they can come with your question.
Let's do O Connect on Tuesday. That's a good one. We can do O Connect and we can run through a few of the features and the benefits of that and how different this is going to be and how much of an impact this is going to make on businesses worldwide. So thanks very much, guys, for joining us. I hope you got something out of that, and we shall see you Tuesday.
Yes, so one of the things I want to say, if you've not been using it, it's for business purpose. If you want to use it, please, it's free. Go and start to use it. It's your business. Use whatever is free. In ONPASSIVE, it's all done for you. Thank you.
One point that Oliver's brought up, good man Oliver, he says OTrim is secure. Tell us about that.
Wow, Oliver, thank you, my brother. You just remind us, yes, 100% secured. We have the AI security, we have the code security, we have SQL injection security. You cannot go and steal anything. Everything is encrypted, end-to-end encryption. So that's what I would talk about security. Please don't be afraid. Nobody will steal your data, because from the time you log in and you enter, everything is encrypted from the code to the database. So there is no way you can get in. And there is AI security as well. Lot of level of security within ONPASSIVE.
Excellent. That's got to be good. Thank you, Collins, for that. Thank you for joining us this evening. And we shall see you Tuesday with OConnect.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.